Hey guys, Aina here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Welcome to day 2 of Vlogmas. I don't know why I did that. Anyways, welcome to day 2 of Vlogmas. I have this makeup look planned for you. I want to show you guys how I accomplished it. If things end up seeming a little confusing, it was just very panicked in here. Things were not going as planned makeup wise, and I just wanted to push through. So basically we ended up with this, which I'm happy with, but it looks like something I did recently. So I'm kind of like, do you even have the range, sis? Like, what YouTuber? I can't. But anyways, I was going for neutral. This is definitely not neutral, but anyways, we're here. It's holidays, it's on brand, it's on trend, so whatever, like it's cute. So if you're interested in knowing how I accomplished this look, then just keep watching. Before we get into it though, please hit that subscribe button and let's get into this video. I feel like procrastinating today. I really don't even need to film this because my base has been damn near the same for all of 2020. This shit is so cold. Oh my gosh. Today I would like to give you holiday glamour. I'm gonna look very expensive by the end of this. I keep changing my mind for what I want this look to be, but I think I'm gonna go neutral. And what about it? Who got something to say? And a bold lip, because that's just how we feel today. We can bring back the Jackie Aina palette with pride, because I know Anastasia Beverly is offering it for the holidays, or I think they were at least for Black Friday, so I'm gonna dive into this. And I'm just using ginger in my crease. This wig is so friggin' tight. A little bit of credit in the crease. This is a lot of bit of credit. Oh my gosh, this wig is going to squeeze my brains out. I've just been super lazy lately. I don't know, pandemic, whatever. And I just haven't been wanting to braid my hair, so it's not braided under here. It's just so tight. Oh, that was a smart idea. Now I'm gonna go in with Dwellers, the color I don't use that often. And honestly, not loving it by itself on here. This is kind of fucking wild. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, but whatever. We move, we're going through with it. And I'm gonna take Sponsored. I needed a deeper base color or something. I needed to use these as toppers, because it's just not doing it for me. Okay. We're gonna try and finesse this because I'm panicked. So I think I'm gonna save this by going into this Bretman Jungle Rock palette. I just feel like the pigments aren't picking up the way I would like them to, and my wig is squeezing my head too tight so I can't even think. So we're gonna do this. Was such a process, but this didn't come out early. I feel like something's happening. Great. Didn't I say I want to do something soft? Like, how did we get here? Anyways, oh, I need to take this wig off. It's just too much. Like, it's actually just too much. The way my wig is squeezing my head. This right here is my pretty girl swag again. Eyeliner. just using the Fenty mascara. Yeah, so this was gonna be a fail, but it actually came out cute, so I'm really not mad at it. I feel like I've done a look like this before with green, but like, honestly, I don't even, why did I even grab the green? But you know what, it's cute, like whatever. Like, nobody come for me saying that I'm doing multiple looks with the same color scheme, okay? Like, it's the holidays, so. A little bit of white eyeliner in my waterline, just to brighten that up a little bit. A smidgen, a tad. Un petit peu. Woo! Chile. Woo, Chile. Woo! Okay, okay, okay. Okay. So the moral of the story, guys, is just trust the process. Like, sometimes your makeup looks just don't turn out to what they're supposed to be. This is supposed to be neutral, but I mean, she's cute, so. I'm filming a reel at the same time, so I'm forgetting about you guys, but we're digging into my bestie, the Sephora Pro palette in Deep, using the LA highlighter. She's just so cute. And I want like a pink lip. Actually, first let's set our face. I took out my clips from my hair and I have no idea where I put them. Like zero. Not even an inclination. Use our Fenty Stella Lip Paint in Uncut. And our Gloss Bomb in Fenty Glow. Just gonna slide back for a second. Did I not put blush? I probably didn't, but it's fine. It's fine. We don't need blush. I look crazy. Okay. Let me fix my wig again. So, oh, this time I had the clips naked. Why do I keep doing this? Okay, we're gonna just, no, we're not. We're not participating in wig slayage today. It's just not. It's not happening. It's not happening for me, and that's a-okay. Like, I'm fine with it, because the way I want to take this wig up so badly. So, today's tutorial was interesting. Did not go as planned. That's okay. It's okay sometimes when things don't go as planned, but either way, I just wanted this to be a cute, short vlogmas tutorial, something quick and easy. It was obviously not easy because I struggled myself, so like it's like I needed the tutorial. That's how it felt, like going through it. It felt like I needed to be taught what was supposed to happen. But anyways, I digress. Hope you enjoyed Vlogmas day number 2. This is 4. Wow. Hope you enjoyed Vlogmas day number 2. If you did like it, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions, comments, or concerns about anything I did today. Obviously, hella confusing because of the fact that she did not know what she was doing, so totally fine if you have questions. And as always, subscribe to me. It doesn't pay my bills yet, but it will one day. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.